Good morning. Today I'm just going to give you a little peek into how I use my essential oils. In the morning I like to wake up, open the window to let fresh air in. Then I put my diffuser on. I like to diffuse something fresh like lemon, something to clean the air, wake me up a bit. Then I like to go outside and sit and write my morning pages. We have so many trees around our home that you can hear all the birds singing. I usually diffuse my essential oils in the morning, sometimes other times during the day too. The other thing I do with my essential oils is I use them in my skincare. This is rosehip oil. This is the color it's supposed to be. It's a golden amber color. It's loaded with fatty acids, so it's very moisturizing. Vitamin A, so it helps your skin regenerate. I add a few drops of the essential oils like lavender. I also add frankincense. These are all great for anti-inflammatory purposes and wound healing. Cobaba essential oil, another anti-inflammatory type of oil. And when you add these to a carrier oil like rosehip oil, which is so moisturizing, it makes your skin feel so good and it hydrates. So the other thing I do with my oils is I use them for cleaning. I used to make my own soap, but now I buy a blend and I dilute it with water and then I add my essential oils to it. This is a very old bottle that I've had. I just keep reusing it. So the Vitruvi has Clean Sweep, which has the oils that I love. It has clove, which is a great disinfectant. It has lemon and pine. And then I also add some tea tree for the antimicrobial benefits. So usually I make my own soap solution with the concentrate I buy. I make a big 4-liter jug of it, add my oils to that, and then pour them into these bottles. And that's basically what I do with my oils. 3 things: diffuse them, add them to my skincare in a carrier oil, and clean with them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Take care.